Hey lads, how's it going? My name is Aslan Khalik and this is Relaxer Now. In this video, we are going to retouch this portrait in such a way that it will look fantastic. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and choose vibrance. We are going to boost this photo's color, so increase it to around 25 or 26 and decrease the saturation to -14 or 15 and close it. Again, go to the adjustment layer icon and choose, for this time, choose curves and simply take it up just a little bit, not too much, and take this down just a touch, not too much, and decrease the opacity around 85%. That's fine. So now we are going to add some color lookup tables. So again, go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose color lookups and click on the load 3D and choose Kodak 2395 by adobe.cube. Click on it and now magic is going to happen. Click on the normal to change the blending mode to soft light. Click on it and just simply decrease the opacity around 45 or 35 will be fine. And now we are going to add some grain. So for that, create a new layer by clicking on this icon and just fill black in it by pressing D to set the colors to default and select this layer and press, sorry, my computer is going crazy, and press Alt and backspace to fill the foreground color and convert it into the smart object and go to the filter. It's taking some time. Click on the layer and go to the filter, noise, add noise, and pick a value between, I'm choosing 4, and change its blending mode to screen. Boom, we are added a grain, a beautiful grain in our portrait. So this is for today's video. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you all, my friend. Thank you for keep supporting me, and I don't have word to say. Your response on my last video was so amazing. I love you all guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and liking and subscribe it. I love you a lot. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.